My sneakers know you've been lying, so we run away. My sneakers know I've been crying, they take me away. My sneakers know you've been lying, so we run away. My sneakers know I've been crying.
It's cracking YouTube. It's me, your host Toon, aka your favorite sneakerhead. Once again, bringing another sneaker pickup / sneaker review. Before we get started, I need you to do me a favor. Like, subscribe, share, follow my TikTok, my sneaker Instagram, my main Instagram on the description below, and it'll be right there, right next to me. Click the notification bell so every time I post new content, you'll be notified. All right, cool. So hopefully everything sounds good. I don't know if y'all remember a couple videos ago, I just got a new mic as it go right here, but I couldn't figure out where to put it at. Now, on last video, I did not use my mic. I just completely forgot about it because I'm not used to using it. Now I'm using it again, so hopefully it's not like too loud. Or I'm trying to talk at a nice tone because I know the mic is directly under my neck right now. So, but anyway, hopefully y'all like this better. I know a lot of people were saying sometimes, like when there's noise in the background or my fan is on or anything, y'all really can't hear me as much. So hopefully this is a little bit more clear. But all right, so it is, at the time of me recording this, it is November the 1st. I actually had this shoe for 2 days. What the heck? Hold up, I got my two dogs behind me. Come on y'all, come on Chewy, there you go, my two dogs, Chewy and Yoda, go. I don't want a whole bunch of barking on camera, but anyway, I actually got this pickup I think 2 days ago, but yesterday was Halloween. And I was so busy and like that with just Halloween stuff that I was not able to do this video. So it's still an early review. Still an early review. This shoe doesn't drop until I don't know why Yoda's over there just growling for nothing. Chewy's right here. Oh, I think because Chewy is looking at him from underneath the bed. Chewy, leave him alone. They still, Yoda is the old man of the house. So Yoda's still like, even though he accepts it, Chewy's here, because Chewy's the young buck. He's only 1 year old. Yoda's like 14. So Yoda's still like jogging for position or whatever sometimes. But Chewy just be wanting to play. Just leave him alone though. Leave him alone. Anyway, all right, so let's get straight into it. White box. So you know what I mean? Women exclusive. You see the Jumpman right there on the top lid. There, the label reads, Women's Air Jordan 11 Retro. The color is velvet. Is that velvet? Yeah, velvet brown, I think. Atmosphere. Suggested retail price, I think, was $210. I'll tell you at the end of the video, or in the middle of the video, something like that. Size 10 women, so that's equivalent to 8.5. So you know what that means? Personal pair, no reseller here. Boom. All right, so regular tissue paper. So, these look so much better in person. So without further ado, I like these. I was really waiting for these. We got the women's Air Jordan 11 Neapolitans. Boom. All right, so like I said, we got the women's Air Jordan 11 Neapolitans. I got some information for y'all off of sneakernews.com. Shout out to sneakernews.com. And one video should be up right now. Y'all can read along to the side right there. It says, we got another advanced preview of a much anticipated sneaker release from Jordan Brand's Holiday 2023 campaign. The annual Air Jordan 11 releases exclusively for women. A tradition started back in 2018. Jordan Brand has been crafting new colorways of this timeless basketball shoe for its women's consumed during the holiday season. And the 2023's offering has the euphoria due to the appeal across all Jordan fanatics. Dubbed the Jordan 11 Neapolitan, A mix of vanilla chocolate brown, and strawberry pink divvy up this Air Jordan 11 release. Tinker Hatfield's iconic Air Jordan 11 design maintains its glossy patent leather mudguards, also exposed carbon fiber plate, and signature bar on the tongue. A liken to the Jordan 11 Gratitude, the ice cream expired retro has stirred up a lot of fanfare since early rumors circulated social media. The pair will be offered in adult and kid sizes, allowing the family to enjoy Jordan Brand's sweet treat. In late October, official Nike channels hinted at a shock drop through Sneakers app, a practice that has become common amongst popular Jordan releases. What's different about the Neapolitan shock drop, however, is that the brand is offering an hour window for participants to purchase the sneaker instead of the typical 10 minutes. Historically, this is a long information right here, but okay. Historically, women's exclusive AJ11s haven't sold out immediately upon launch, leading some pairs to sit on shelves until going on discount. Pairs of the Air Jordan 11 Low for women have also experienced similar fates, so it's possible the longer shock drop window is an attempt to move as much stock as possible for sneaker scheduled release. And the Air Jordan 11s are indeed a marquee item for Jordan brands during the winter shopping season, and there's no question that the Neapolitan version is high on many lists. Oh, and the retail price was $225. That's how much it was. $225. That was a lot of information. Usually it'd be like a paragraph or something like that. But this was a lot of information. I actually like that. So y'all can read that, go back, like that. So a lot of notes to go through. First, yes, this did drop on the shock drop. The initial release date is November the 11th. So this is about 2 weeks from now, something like that, or a week. Yeah, about a week now, or a little bit over a week right now. I did get this on shock drop. It wasn't like the normal shock drop, like I said, with like the 10-minute window. It was like a hour window. So yeah, it was open for that. So let's show y'all this real quick. The Air Jordan 11 Gratitudes will be dropping, I think, in December. So for them to release two Air Jordan 11s at that $225 price range is tough. It's crazy, but it's wild. But these was a must cop for me. Class, what you think about these? Yeah, what you think about these? You over there falling asleep? Classic over there falling asleep. Let's hurry him do this video so Classic go to sleep. It is currently 9:41. His bedtime is 9:30, so he's right on time. Falling asleep. I like these because these, like I said, these are based on the ice cream, the Neapolitan ice cream of the strawberry, vanilla, chocolate. I know it looks black a little bit, but this is a dark brown. This is a dark brown representing chocolate. That's a dark brown. We got the translucent bottom that represents strawberry with some brown pods. White midsole. Got that white leather upper, which don't change. The Jumpman that looks black though. The Jumpman looks black. Yeah, the Jumpman is black. This glossy right there, part right there, that is brown, but that Jumpman is black. Got the crisscross laces right there, white laces, no extra laces. 23 on the back, which is dope. This right here is interesting to me because this is more of a grayish silver sock liner right there, and on the back it's not white. It does not go with this. It's more of a grayish silver, like that. I like that. I got some Concords right there so I can compare these two. So I mean, right off bat they look the same. They basically look the same, if besides the outer sole, like that. Again, you can tell that this is not fully black, but to the naked eye from a distance you be like, oh, it's black, whatever, like that. This is like a dark black. This is the one with the 45 on the back. The laces are a little bit thinner on the Neapolitans than it is on these. These are like rope laces like that. These are the rope laces too, but like more thinner like that. But all in all, got the widow's peak on the back. I like the shoe. I do like the shoe. It is an Air Jordan 11, so that's dope. I think these are going to sell or sit. I think these are going to sell. I'm not going to say the resell on these are going to be crazy, but I really think these are going to sell, at least initially sell out. But Jordan Brand, they've been doing a lot of restocks. Like, it's been like 100 restocks. So I like the shoe. 1 to 10, I'm going to give it an 8.5. I like it. I love the color. Y'all know I love the color pink. And it's an Air Jordan 11, and it looks like a Concord. I love the Concords. So just on the strength of that alone, this is an 8.5 for me. I like this. I wish they would have gave us a special box, like some ice cream type box, Neapolitan box. That would have been dope. That would have made this presentation. It would have bumped this up to like a 9 or a 9.5. I'm not going to take it a 10 because 11s do kind of hurt my feet a little bit when I wear them, even though I do like them. Maybe because I need to go up a half size. I'm at 8.5, sometimes a 9. I always get these in the 8.5. I was thinking about when I try to get these for the shock drop, I was thinking going back and forth, should I do 8.5 or 9, or 10, 10.5? But I want to going 10 women's, 8.5 men. But anyway, class, what you giving it? 7. You like it? I mean, a 7 means you like it, but it's just not that nothing special to you. Okay, but you do know the Neapolitan ice cream, right? The ice cream that comes, I don't think I never bought this for you, but so is the ice cream. It comes with 3 flavors in it: chocolate, vanilla, strawberry. And I'm gonna show it to you. I go to the store. Matter of fact, let me just show you that. I can pull up. I don't think I ever bought you Neapolitan ice cream. No. Neapolitan ice cream. What?
I don't think it's really any special at all.
I got you. Like this, kind of like this. This is ice cream sample. This right here. I'm gonna show YouTube too. That's the Neapolitan ice cream. So see,
one flavor.
No, it's 3 flavors. It's strawberry, vanilla. I mean, it's chocolate, vanilla, strawberry, or strawberry, vanilla, chocolate, however you want to say it. But yeah, it's 3 flavors in one, but they're not mixed together. It's like they got their own sections. Like it's a chocolate section, and then next to the chocolate is a vanilla, which is the middle. Next to the vanilla is the strawberry, and you can mix it together if you want or whatever like that. But yeah, that's pretty much it. Yeah, just, I like it. I like it. Classic says it's a 7. I gave it an 8. What, 8.5? Yeah, 8.5. So he does like it. He just don't think it's really nothing too special about it. But it's a good shoe. I like the shoe. So y'all let me know in the comments below if you was able to hit this on the shock drop that dropped. The initial release, like I said, is November the 11th. So y'all still got a chance to get it. And I don't think that sneaker prices are high on this anyway. I think they're probably going to maybe 300, maybe maybe 280. You have to think though that this was like a 230, 240 price tag anyway, or 225 plus tax like 235 or something like that. So you have to think that anyway. So y'all let me know if y'all want to get this shoe. Not if it's a cop or drop. For me, it is a cop, as you can see. Troy, get down, please. Get down. Thank you. Y'all know what to do, man. Like, subscribe, share. Follow my TikTok, my sneaker Instagram, my main Instagram on the description below. Click the notification bell so every time I post new content, you'll be notified. As always, from me, host Tune, aka your favorite sneakerhead, representing Tune's Kicks and the whole Tune squad. You know what to do. Have a nice day.